Hi there, I'm Suranga from English Win. Today's job is to talk about a common English expression, guess what? ඔයා දන්නව වැඩක්? මාර වැඩේනේ. මාර වැඩක් වෙලානේ. ඔයාට ආරංචි නැද්ද? ඔයා දන්නේ නැද්ද? මේ ඔයාට කවුරුත් කිව්වේ නැද්ද? Something like that. You are going to give a piece of information to somebody he has no idea of. Idea එකක් කාටවත් නැති පොඩි information එකක් දෙන්න හදන්නේ. Maybe you think that he would be surprised by listening to this. මේක අහලා ඉවරලා පුදුම වෙයි කියලා තමයි මට හිතෙන්නේ නේද? Right. අපි බලමු මොන වගේ වැඩක් මේ. Guess what? Guess what? දන්නව වැඩක්? Guess what? දන්නව වැඩක්? Something like that. Guess what? Guess what? Maybe in different tones you can use it. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Oh. Introduces some information which the speaker thinks will surprise the listener. Introduces some information, giving some information. Put the idea which the speaker thinks I'm the speaker. If I'm going to talk about all these things, I'm the speaker. If I say, guess what? I'm the speaker. You are the listener. I'm the speaker, you are the listener. So I say, guess what? The speaker thinks that listener would be surprised. Listener, පුදුම වේවි කියලා මම හිතනවා. Speaker හිතනවා. Information which the speaker thinks will surprise the listener. Make a listener surprise කරයි කියලා. පුදුම කරයි කියලා. Speaker හිතනවා. Speaker is myself. I say, guess what? And you are listening. You are the listener. I think you will be surprised, shall we? Guess what? Guess what? Ravin has passed his driving test at last. Ravin, දන්නවද වැඩක්? Ravin එයාගේ test එක pass වෙලා driving test එක. Maybe Ravin is not a good driver. He cannot drive. Or he is lazy and sort of a thing. මොකක් හරි දෙයක් තියෙනවා. අවුලක් කාගේද Ravinගේ. ඒකගේ යා driving test එක pass වෙන එක. That's really a surprise. It is surprising to everybody listens to the news. So, එතකොට මේක කියන එක ඇවිල්ලා කියනවා, he would say that. Guess what? දන්නවද වැඩක්? Guess what? Ravin has passed his driving test at last. Ultimately. Guess what? Himesh is going to be the new manager. Guess what? Guess what? Himesh is going to be the new manager of this company. The company new manager is Himesh. That's the news. You will be surprised listening this. Yeah, that's it. That's the idea. Guess what? දන්නවද වැඩ? Guess what? දන්නවද වැඩ? මේවා ටිකක් දැනගත්තා මොනවද කියන්න පුළුවන් උනේ? Guess what? Something like that. එහෙනම් guess what කියන එක අපි කොහෙද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? කෙනෙක් දන්නේ නැති එයාට පුදුම හිතෙන දෙයක් අපි කියනකොට මහා පුදුමයක් හිතෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ පොඩි පොඩි දේවල්. Guess what? Sujan is coming this evening. Guess what? We are going to a birthday party this evening. Something like that. Guess what? I'm going to buy a new computer. Guess what? I'm making 5 video clips today. Guess what? We are starting the practical English course this week. Bye.